for this, you're going to just stretch your dough gently, like making a pizza. Okay, be something like that. You can leave it to rest after you're kneading. You can maybe leave it to rest 5 minutes, or you get maybe a better stretch. Then you're going to put your raisins all over. So you see it's heavily laden with fruits. My mixed peel, so orange and lemon peel, confit in sugar. It's a lot. Here we are. And my almonds, like this. You bring escapees back onto the dough. Then you're going to simply roll it like this. So in a way, you're creating layers of fruits and nuts. Okay, then a quick, and don't worry, it's going to come out of the dough, but it doesn't matter. It's just to make sure it's all over the dough. So don't worry if they escape. It's fine. Here we are. You see, folding, rolling over. And I'm not going to do that for too long. Just enough that for my fruits to be all over the place.